Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Sharing dry scallop chicken porridge today. Process the chicken first, then the other ingredients later. Separate chicken bones from chicken. Chicken bones for soup. Chicken meat for making porridge. Many women are afraid of using knives. So this time I used scissors as a demonstration to separate the chicken bones from the chicken. Cut off the chicken neck. The chicken neck can also be eaten, but the chicken head is discarded. Discard the chicken tail. Discard chicken head and tail. Separate fat and lymph. Discard them. Cut off the joints of the chicken feet. Cut off the shoulder. Turn it over. You will see the joint connection position. Easy to cut between joints. Cut the flesh outside the joint. Flip it open and you'll see the connector. Cut it at the connection position and it will be easy to cut. The other side does the same thing. Cut the inside of the chicken thigh. Turn the chicken thigh outwards. You will see the joint connection position. Cut off the connection bit. Save chicken fat for soup. You can also discard the chicken fat if you don't like it. Find the location of the ribs. This position is very easy to cut. Can be cut with light force. Clean the inside. This is the back of the chicken. Cut between bone and flesh. Separate them. Cut between bone and flesh. The other side does the same thing. Here are two pieces of chicken. That's the real chicken tenders. A chicken only has 2 fillets. Cut the chicken into small pieces for easy consumption. Cut off the meat wrapping the chicken thigh bones. It is easy to separate the bones and meat. Cut into small pieces. Wash the separated chicken bones and chicken. No need to steam the scallops, just wash them and set aside. Cut the ginger into thin strips, as small as possible to reduce the spiciness. Coriander should be washed thoroughly, because I use the roots to make chicken soup. Cut the leaves into fine pieces and use them before eating. Dice green onions and use before serving. After the chicken is drained, season it. Add a small amount of ginger. Save the remaining ginger for making porridge. Small amount of pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well. Spare. Chicken bones and fat have been drained. Start making chicken soup. Turn on the stove and turn on medium heat. Fry the chicken fat first. After frying the chicken oil, add shredded ginger. Add chicken bones. Fry them until they are fragrant. Then turn on the maximum fire. Add 1,500 ml of water. After boiling, cover and turn to low heat. Simmer for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, turn off the heat. Remove the chicken bones and ingredients. Keep a small amount of chicken fat in the soup to increase the flavor of the chicken porridge. The situation in the video is enough. Turn the most popular. Add coriander roots. Add dried scallops. After boiling, add washed rice. About 20 parts water, 1 part rice. Depends on the type of rice. If there is a little more water, it won't be a big problem. At this time, stir constantly to avoid sticking to the pot. Stop stirring once it boils. Cover. Turn to low heat. Simmer for 35 minutes. After 5 minutes, pick up the coriander roots. Continue to cook for half an hour. 35 minutes later. Turn the most popular. Do not cover the lid to allow the water to evaporate. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. I like porridge with this viscosity. depending on personal preference, increase or decrease the cooking time. Because the chicken has been separated from the bones, it cooks quickly. 5 minutes is enough. Stir evenly so that the chicken is evenly heated. After 5 minutes, seasoning. Because the scallops have a salty taste, adding half a teaspoon of salt is enough. Edible. Add green onions. Coriander. Ready to eat. Today's dried scallop chicken porridge is finished. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.